Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today we will discuss few Arabic letters in three groups. So the first group here. As you can see, the first group, they look like a plate with dots. The dots can be below the plate, above the plate, and they differ in the number from 1 to 3. So the first letter right here, B, B, حرف الباء, باء, B, as in the English B. The second one, so the first one is like a plate with a dot beneath it. The second one is like a plate with a dot above it. We talked about it in a previous lesson. It's the English n, حرف النون, noon, n. So let's go back to b with the harakat. This is fatha, damma, kasra. So we have ba, bu, bi. Now the second letter right here is t. It's the plate with two dots above it. And we have ta, tu, ti. The next letter is a plate with three dots about it. It's like the English th, as in thing. And with the harakat, it is tha, thu, thi. Now this letter, it looks like a plate but with a head right here. This is ya, as in the English y, ya. So with the harakat, it's ya, you, yi. Now how do we write them in the beginning and the middle and the end of the word? So this is the ba, the ba. If you want to write it in the beginning of the word, you just cut off this end, then you attach it right here to the letter after it. And then in the middle of the word, you just add this connection to attach it to the letter before it, and you can attach the letter after it right here. At the end of the word, you just add this connection to it. The same things goes with the noon, as you can see in the beginning, the middle, and the end. This is the ta, t. This is the beginning, the middle. So you cut here, you add this connection for the middle, you add this connection for the end. The same thing, the tha, the tha. You cut this to attach the letter after it for the beginning of the word. This is the middle of the word, you add this connection. This is the end, you add this connection. For the ya, you're getting rid of the head as well. So it looks like a plate now, and you cut off the end to attach it to the letter after it. And this is in the middle of the word, this is the end of the word. It goes back to its original shape, just add this connection. Now the second group, two letters. We have the s, English S, and sh, as in ship. حرف. So this one is seen, s. This one is sheen, sh. A common mistake, for example, the word Muslim in Arabic, we use the sin, the S, حرف السين. We don't say it as a Z. So it's a Muslim, not a Muslim. The third group, we have two letters. So this is the first one. It's L, as in the English L. حرف اللام, lam. When you add this sign above it, it turns into k, kaf, the English K. Kaf, k. Now, if you look at the lam, how to connect it in the word? You just cut off this part and attach it to the letter after it for the beginning of the word. You add this connection for the middle. it goes back to its original shape and you add this connection for the end of the word. Now the calf is a bit different than the lamb. So, no, it's not hard. So this is the calf. When you when it's in the beginning of the word, it changes its shape in this way. And then in the middle of the word, you add this connection. At the end of the word, it goes back to the original shape with added connection. So what is the sign in the middle, in the on top of it that differentiates it from the lamb? It's actually, if you take a close look at it, it looks like this. Exactly this sun, this calf in the beginning of the word. Do you see? In the previous lesson, lesson 7 from verse 16, we talked about the first word in the ayah, amintum. Do you remember it? Amintum. And we talked about this hamza right here. This is called the hamza. This is how it looks. Hamza. And this is also the hamza. Now in this ayah, it's used as a questioning tool. It means do or did you. So, but in Arabic, some people mistaken this sign that is used on the kaf with the hamza. So this is the wrong way, as you see, this is the wrong way of writing the kaf because it is not a hamza. It is actually a small kaf that comes in the middle of the word. You got it? Good. So let's practice now. We have knowledge of many Arabic letters. And in the previous lesson, we talked about this word. Let's read it together. It means will in a futuristic sense. Well, so with the fatha, let's use a different color. S with the fatha is sa. W with a dhamma, so it's free with a sukoon, so it's freezing in its place. So so. This is f with a fatha is fa. So we say fa, سوف, will, سوف. Now this one you can see it has two letters. So this is the plate right here with a dot beneath. So it's b, and with the kasra it's b. This one is not the lam, it's the kaf, and with the fatha is ka. So bika, bika. You said it means with you and the singular form when you're talking to a male. We discussed it in the last lesson, so let's review it. Bika means with you when you're talking to a male in a singular form. How do you change it to a singular form talking to a female? You just change the fatha in the end to a kasra, so it's biki. The same thing. B and kasra is b. K, kasra, ki. So it's biki. Now the word we discussed also in the last lesson. So this is b and kasra b. Kaf in the middle of the word with dhamma. It's ku. So biku. And this is the meme with sukoon. So we say bikum. Bikum. It means with you in a plural sense. When you're talking to a group of people, especially when there's men in the group, so men alone or men and women, you say bikum, with you. But what if the group has only women? There's no men. That's a special thing in Arabic for addressing women. So we say bikunna, bikunna. So this is b and kasra is b, and there is k and dhamma. So it's biku. And this is the noon, bikunna. Now this mark, we will discuss it later. It's called shadda. It means that you stress on the letters. So this is a shadda as you see here with the fatha also. So it's not a na, it's a na. So we say in total bikunna, bikunna. And it means with you in a plural sense, talking or addressing a group of women. So as a review, it's bika, addressing a singular male, biki, with you, addressing a singular female, bikum, with you, addressing a group of people, men alone or men and women, bikunna, addressing a group of people or a group of women. Let's go back to the word. Let's try and read this together. M with the dhamma, mu, s, sukun, s. So it's mus. This is the lamb. As you see, it's lamb connected right here with the word with the letter before it, which is the sin. So we said mus, and there's a kasra here, so it's li, musli, and there is the meme at the end with the sukun, muslim, muslim. This is how you write the word Muslim in Arabic. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson for today. If you find this content useful, please like, subscribe, and share.